Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Biometrics or Security. Do not delay. Make sure the sensor surface is clean and free of screen protectors that change pressure. This improves first scan reliability. Enroll 2 or 3 partial prints so the sensor recognizes different angles and grip positions, and name them clearly. Once done, set the lock screen biometric option to allow unlock so the fingerprint works from the locked state. You now refine how the fingerprint behaves during everyday use. Enable Wake and Unlock or Allow Unlock from lock screen in the biometric settings so a single touch wakes and unlocks the device. Make sure screen timeout and auto lock settings are forgiving enough for your natural lift and touch motion. If it locks instantly, fingerprints fail. Keep system and sensor firmware updated and run any manufacturer calibration utility. Doing this reduces false rejects and keeps fingerprints working reliably over time. Finish by testing unlocks in typical scenarios: pocket draw, table pickup, and with cases on. If you see more than 1 in 10 rejections, re-enroll additional angles or delete and re-add prints. Make a habit of wiping the sensor and drying your finger. Moisture, oils, and cold reduce reliability. If issues persist, reboot the phone, confirm updates, then re-enroll prints. If that still fails, contact manufacturer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.